The LG V20 was here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S21. For Straight Talk to the Galaxy S21 is finally here. At Straight Talk, it's available now for $799.99. So that's the base model of the Galaxy S21. So it's available now. It's available in black. And yeah. So there's the phone right there. It has a whole phone so you can press some camera. Power and 9K is going to be on the right side of the phone. So yeah. That's back of it. You guys have a triple camera system, camera flash up there, and your Samsung logo. And then on the left side of the phone, you have nothing. So yeah. Thank you. My SD card and SIM card size probably on the right side of the phone or top of the phone. Everyday epic. We know your life moves fast, and there's a fine line between what makes an ordinary and what makes it extraordinary. With the ability to record in 8K, your videos aren't just cinema quality, they're double the resolution of 4K video. Or use a 64 megapixel camera for still shots that come out clear whether it's day or night. Better yet, why not do both? Single take AI transcends the usual restrictions of photo and video editing to capture life's greatest moments, wherever they happen, in one single take. The Samsung Galaxy S21 made for the epic and every day. Right? So that's the phone front and back. Okay, what's in the box is you get your Samsung Galaxy S21 smartphone, Type-C to Type-C data cable, and your ejection pin. I don't think you get a charger with the phone. I don't think you get a charger with it. So yeah, very interesting. Let's continue. More features. It has a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display that's a 120Hz refresh rate, which is really nice. And on the middle finish on the main camera adds unity to the design and accentuates the ratio of the haze texture. Zoom with hybrid optic zoom and enhanced super resolution. You can zoom up to 30 times with clarity and precision. High resolution, get amazing clear, high quality photos with the large 64 megapixel sensor. 8K video. Get cinema quality video in the palm of your hands. Capture incredible detail in 8K resolution with super smooth actions at 24 frames per second. Battery. Galaxy S21 5G's battery is big and smart, running your app usage style to optimize power consumption. Okay then. So there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S21 is now at Straight Talk. It's available now for $799.99. This is the base model. This is the 128GB version. So you keep it in mind. So now Straight Talk finally has the Galaxy S21. So if you guys want to get this one, it's available now at Straight Talk. So yeah, so it's pretty awesome there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys let us know a lot. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.